During last month's PTO meeting, a very pricey decision was made to replace the well-used and extremely worn coral risers, which have been holding students since at least the 80s, as evidenced by this 1989 Christmas program. In addition to exhibiting signs of heavy use, these risers also lacked capacity and back row safety. After weighing the benefits against the cost, the group decided unanimously to purchase a set of high-quality risers that offered very long life, ease of use, greater capacity, and safety rails. On Sunday, a crew of volunteers assembled them.
Okay.
You want to pull it out now?
Yes, please.
Can I? There's gaps here. We can.
Okay, so we want to line this one up dead center since it's the
Now through trouble.
Thank your local PTO. They do great things for a great school.